Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how can we use @JSON property order annotation. So let's suppose you are giving a JSON request as this. That is ID is given one name, department, salary, and you want response as in this order. First you want department, then name, then salary, then ID. In that case we will use @JSON property order. So let's suppose here I have already created one application. So in that, in order to use this annotation, that at that JSON property order, you have to add this dependency, and that is Jackson Annotation. So here I have created one simple employee entity which is having the variables ID, name, department, salary. Here I have created one controller. Here we are taking the employee as input, and here I have created one controller. So now if I run this application, right click, run as Spring Boot application. So it is running. Now let's test this application. So here is the URL. We have to save this. Now here what I am doing is I am giving ID, name, department, salary of employee. If I click on send, we will get response in the same order as whatever you have given in the request. That is, first is ID, then name, then department, then salary. But now the requirement is we want response in this order. So in that case, what we can do, we can use this @JSON property order annotation on the top of entity. So if I go back, if I stop application, if I go to the entity, so on the top of entity, we have to use this annotation @JSON property order, and we have to give the variable names in the order you want response. So I want in the response, first should be department, then name, then salary, then ID. So according to that I have given here. So first I want department, so I have given here. Then I want salary, then name, then salary, then ID, right? So if I test now this application, if I go here and if I do control F11, so it will take some time. So you can see that our application is running. So if I go back to the postman, little bit down here, so here I am using giving the JSON body. So if I click on send, this is the request. Now if I go to the response, earlier what was the response? First we are getting ID, name, and whatever the order in the entity. What was the order? ID, name, department, salary. But now you can see that we are getting department, name, salary, ID. Why we are getting? Because we have used here a annotation @JSON property order. So this is the way you can use @JSON property order. So I will give the link of the code in the description. From there you can find the dependency and this example. So if you like this video, you can hit like button and subscribe to our channel.